Hello?
Babe, let me in.
Babe. Who are you calling babe?
I'm over it. I got over it. Just let me in. It's cold out here. I want to go to sleep.
I think you're at the wrong house.
No, this is my house. Open the door. I'm sorry about
Nah,
earlier.
you're tripping. This is not your house. I don't know where you live, but this is not it.
I didn't mean what I said earlier. Just let me in.
Okay, you have like 5 seconds before I call the cops on you. You don't live here. And it's almost midnight, so please go home.
This is my house, no?
No,
What
look around you. Dude,
Where's my house at?
I don't know. Where the hell do you live?
Oh man.
She
I
kicked
took
you
these
out, huh?
gummies. I took these gummies again earlier. I took a nap. I'm tired.
That's not your house. No, get up. Go to your house. You don't belong there. Hey,